Search no more. This is the right way to insulate your van floor. Remove any paneling from the van. Mark any areas you'd like to extend your insulation. If your van does not have a floor mat, use cardboard to make a template. Time to clean it up. Use degreaser and scrub any grime. If you have a dirty van, hose it down. Wipe it down. Touch up any rusted or exposed metal with spray paint. Pre-order materials and load them up. You will need 3 4x8 sheets of Advantech. You will need 3 sheets of XPS foam board insulation. Don't forget your Loctite and spray foam. Put down cardboard and your first 2 pieces of insulation board. The last piece will be for the back of the van and goes sideways. Align your vinyl mat or cardboard template onto the foam board. Measure and mark the areas you'll be extending the foam. Trace your entire template with a marker. You want your wheel well to align with this cut right here. Go ahead and remove your template and get ready to cut. Cut directly on the line with a jigsaw. Always test fit your pieces. Make any necessary adjustments. After test fitting your piece, it's time to glue it down. Glops are stronger than lines. Gently place the insulation board onto the glued section. Semi-pro tip, keep your glue warm for better flow. You want it to fit like a glove. If you can't get this last piece to fit, cut it in half. Use spray foam to seal any cracks in between the van and the insulation board. It's very important the first piece has the groove facing the front of the van. Measure and align your template in the center of the boards. Measure and mark where you extended your insulation and trace out the entire template. Remove your template for the last time. Get your plywood out of the way, but don't move it very far. Sawhorses will help you out here, but they're not necessary. You're going to need to measure 1 inch inside of your line. Your wood will need room to expand and contract. A quick sand will make sure there's no burrs or splinters. Put down some cardboard and gently test fit your piece. The warm glue is coming out much better now. Gently lay down your first piece onto the insulation board. Do a little dance to make sure it's down good. When cutting the plywood by the van step, cut directly on the line. Use a scrap piece of tongue and groove to tap the pieces together. If you don't have a sander, you can do this by hand. I use adhesive to seal any small cracks. Use the big crack filler spray foam around the edges. Here's a list of everything you'll need to get the job done right.